I am about to fit parts from a boat to my car. If you look at this, if you can see it, it says marine supplies. Parts from a boat. In fact, actually a yacht. So let's get into it. Well, here's another thing that I've done. I found this pipe across filter in my workshop. It came off when I had the Passat. When I got this vehicle, there was a plastic pipe coming down here to an airbox. The MAF sensor, there's no sensors at all going to it. So I took the box out, took the pipe off, and this bolts straight onto the end of here. It's below there, it's below bonnet level, but I've just noticed whenever I open the bonnet, this has got a big crease in it, the same shape as that right there. My plan, I've actually ordered a really cool bonnet scoop to go on here, which is going to sit directly on the filter. I mean, it's literally going to sit on the filter itself. So that should be coming soon. But what I'm going to do today is, I'm not going to cut the hole in the bonnet yet, but I am going to cut this piece off. So when I close the bonnet, it's not pushing down on this, because the last thing I want is for it to push on this and push this and do damage. So I'm going to be removing that anyway to put the bonnet scoop on. So for now, I'm just going to cut that off just for today.
3 days later.
Right, I actually completely forgot to put the camera on when I cut that out, so I'm just going to reenact it, okay? There you go, that's gone, okay. I might not leave that in, but I might. Right, now, as you can see, what I said before is I put this air filter on, but now we need to get air to this air filter, don't we? And that's what I mentioned at the start of this video. I bought something to go on here that's going to get air to the air filter from a boat, a yacht. So first things first, let's measure up and then you'll see what it is.
A few moments later.
Okay, I'm not going to show you what it is yet, but this is a template I've just drawn. I don't know if you can see that in the light. This is a template I've drawn around there. So I'm going to be cutting this middle piece out for airflow. Okay? Right, let's start chopping my bonnet up, shall we? Okay. As you can see, my filter is right there. So cold air will be going right to the filter. Are you ready to see this very underwhelming piece that I got off of a yacht? You're going to think it's a bit much, and it probably is, but it's a rat. Stainless steel air intake from a yacht engine. This is going to go right there. And it's flowing air straight to that filter. First of all, I want to put some sealant on this, so when I do put it on, when it rains, water doesn't come down and go into my filter. So we'll drill these holes first. I need to raise this bonnet away from the filter because I'm just going to drill holes in it. I must have some sealant somewhere. I really want to seal it properly. Hot. In true rat fashion, my girlfriend's a florist, so I've got this stuff called Florist Tac. It's kind of similar to blue tack, but it's like really waterproof because of flowers and water. And I just need a thin sausage of it, just to keep it waterproof. When it rains, I don't want the rain to run down into the filter. So until I can just drill out these rivet holes. I can just drill out these rivet holes at some point, but for now, this will work. Rat life. pretty damn good, to be fair. Right, let's get this thing riveted on. Have a close up at this thing. Filter is inside. So, there we have it, people. That is that. This may have a little tiny drill hole in it, but it's fine. Nothing's getting in there. Happy days. Perfect. Close it down. There we go. Happy days. Look at that. There we go. That is a Yacht air intake scoop off a Yacht engine on the bonnet of my Felicia. Happy days. It's not too big, it sticks up a bit, but I like that. I'm going to be honest, I'm not sure if I like it or not. There is a nicer one that's flatter and wider. I think that's the one to get, and it's more shaped as well. I think I might get that one, but I don't know. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. It's a bit too tall and thin for me. When I'm driving it, I just went out for a drive. It looks like I've got a mini supercharger sticking out the bonnet on one side. I don't know. I'm not sure now, but there is another one which is a lot nicer. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. Does that work or not? Don't forget to like and subscribe and all that stuff. Most of you out there have not bothered watching my stuff and you haven't subscribed, so come on, get on it. Chop chop.